In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Family Library on Google Playbooks. To begin, open any browser on your computer and search for Playbooks. Once the search results appear, click on the first link to go to the Google Playbooks website. When the website loads, look at the top right-hand corner of your screen and click on your profile icon. A drop-down menu will appear, and from here you need to scroll down slightly until you find the option Family. Click on it to continue. On the next page, you will see the option to sign up for Family Library. Simply click on it once. As you scroll down, you will be able to see the advantages of setting up Family Library. Google explains that you can purchase and share apps and books with up to 5 family members, and there are no additional sign-up fees involved. Once you have reviewed this information, scroll down further and click on the Sign Up button. At this point, Google will remind you of a few requirements. It will show you that in order to set up Family Library, you yourself must be at least 18 years old. Click on Continue to move forward. The next screen will explain that your family members who are being invited must be at least 13 years or older. Once again, click on Continue. After that, you'll be shown a message informing you that your family members will also be able to make purchases in Google Playbooks, so it is important to keep that in mind. Now scroll down to set up a payment method. Here you will need to enter your card details along with your billing address. If you would like to add another payment method, you have the option to do so at this stage. Otherwise, simply click on Accept. Google will then send a one-time passcode to your bank's mobile application for verification. Make sure you have access to your banking app in order to receive the code. Enter the code on the screen when prompted, as this verification is necessary to confirm that the payment method truly belongs to you. Once this step is completed, your payment method will be successfully set up. The next screen will ask you to decide what type of purchases you want to add to your family library. Since other members of your family group will also have access to these items, you can choose to add all of your eligible purchases automatically. If you prefer to add items manually later, you can select that option instead. Once you have made your choice, click on Continue. Now it is time to invite your family members. You can add up to 5 family members to your group. To invite someone, simply type in their email address in the provided field. Continue entering email addresses for each family member you wish to add, then click on Send. Invitations will then be sent to your family members. When they receive the invitation, it will appear as a simple email message like this. Inside the email, there will be an option to Accept Invitation. By clicking on it, they can join your family library. Back on your screen, you will see a confirmation message saying you are all set. Click on Got It to complete the setup. And this is how you can successfully set up Family Library on Google Playbooks.